All right, here is solution or help for coding bat number 2, icyHot. Again, hopefully you had a chance to try it and you're only watching this if you get really stuck. So it seems pretty straightforward. Given two temperatures, return true if one is less than 0 and the other is greater than 100. So that seems easy to me, right? When I first read it, I basically said if temp 1 is less than 0 and the other one's greater than 100, so temp 2 is greater than 100. So if that is true, then we just simply return true, that it is like icyHot. Right, so it seemed like that would be it, and then you just do else return false. The problem with this is it could be reversed. Temperature 1 could be the hot one, and temperature 2 could be the cold one. Okay, so I think the way to do this, there'd be a couple ways. Is one, you could make this into an or. So temp 1 is less than 0 and temp 2 is greater than 100. Or the reverse is true, right? Or temp 1 is the one that's really hot, greater than 100. And temp 2 is the one that's cold, less than 0. Okay, so we could have these, this, and this, or this and this, right? So I think that's one way to do it, right? And that gets a pretty complex if, to be honest. So if that really freaks you out, you could do it separately. So you could do like, basically take this part. This was the other way I thought maybe to make it a little simpler, is just do basically if temp 1 is cold and temp 2 is hot, you're going to return true. And then we could slam in here an else if, and then put the other part here. So else if temp 1 is the really hot one and temp 2 is the cold one, then we are going to, Mr. West talking to his curly braces, then we're going to return true also. And then if neither one of those things happen, then return false. So I believe that would be an alternate setup that would give you the same answer, just kind of a different way to structure it so it's not such a crazy long if. But really either route should work. So hopefully that babbling made sense. If not, send me an email. Have a good day.